Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Umar Ahmed and this is our lecture 9 of the series of building information modeling using Revit. And last time we discussed about how you can basically place components in Revit. So the floor plan looks very professional now. We have our study room, we have our drawing room, we have our bedrooms, washroom, lounges, kitchen, and the plan looks more realistic now. So now what you have to do is you go to 3D and I'll show you guys how you can make this 3D model look more appealing, more natural. And this is our lecture 9 where I'll show you how you can make it more appealing. So let's get started without further ado. And basically you see that the thickness of the floor is 12 inches. So I click on edit and I click on duplicate and I save and I modify it as per my requirements. So let's do it again. Yeah, so I'll save with the name as BIM floor. Remember that I'm not using the template file, so that's why I have to do every single thing again and again. That's why I asked everyone to create the template file. That will save you loads of time. So I'll change the thickness from 1 feet to 6 inches and I'll click on this one and I'll select a material which is concrete cast in place. So I click OK, and OK, and there you go, the floor thickness has been modified. Similarly for roof, I select the roof, I click on edit and I click on duplicate and I change the name roof BIM dash roof. Yeah, I click on OK, I click on edit, I click on the thickness, I change the thickness to 4 and I then go to enter. Now here I'll create a duplicate of duplicate material and assets. So that means I'll duplicate the file. I'll rename it as roof and I'll save the name for myself then. And let's open this wide. So over here you can see that the pattern over here is sand, it's concrete on the foreground and its appearance is like this, which is pretty much of the concrete. If you want to change the foreground pattern, you can just modify this, but I'll keep it as it is for the moment and I'll show you in the upcoming lectures how you can modify these as well. You see that I selected that feature and now it's coming. So yeah, let's do it straight away. I click on this and basically the roofs are with some lines, not with concrete like this. So we'll change this one to maybe which one? Yeah, this one or this one looks nice. Click on OK, and again OK, and there you have it. You see that it's looking really odd now since we are working in 2D. So go to the edit section once more and then I click on this one and now I select the model. Previously I was working in the drafting like 2D, but now I have switched to the 3D one. And there we have it. You see that we do have vertical break solder course lines. So I click on this one, I click OK and I click OK again, and there you go. The roof looks way more amazing, way more better than the previous one, and yeah, it looks pretty decent now. So you see that previously that the model was not looking good, the model was really looking odd, and now it looks amazing. Let's add some of the features as well. Let's add I think yeah, that's amazing. Let's go to the visuals and go to the consistent colors, or maybe the realistic one. And this will basically load the realistic picture of the model, how it actually looks in the uh, construction sector. It's gonna take some time to load the realistic model, but we'll wait for a moment to let it load. And there you go, we have our actual model being loaded. You see the brick pattern, the floor, all of the material finishes that we have chosen is now being shown over here. For drawings purposes, you just have to remain in hidden view, and that will save you dozens of time. So what's the next thing that we can do to modify the floor plan or the 3D model is going into this roof section and selecting this fascia or gutter. So I selected this gutter and I select on this roof, and you see that the gutter is now being installing. So let's install gutters right on all of the roof edges. I click on the above one, not on the blue one, above one. So in case if any rain is entering, it will be captured in this gutter. Click on this, click on this, and I think this is the last one. So yeah, there you have it. You see the gutter is now being installed. Yeah, this one, yeah. See how beautiful this looks, how natural and how realistic it looks to have this features being installed in property. And there you go, the model looks very natural and very realistic. And that was all for this lecture. I'll meet you in the upcoming lectures where I'll be teaching you guys how you can print the files and can also save it for yourselves.